We say, in keeping with the energy of these times, one of the best things that you can do to prepare for the turbulence that is really always coming, but it is fair to say that there is even more coming soon. One of the best ways you can prepare, if you are in one of two groups, is to allow. The second group is to choose who you be. Either way, it is interesting because it is a little like two sides of the coin. A part of the only thing that you are ever going to allow is to allow yourself to be yourself. And at the same time, it is so important to choose who it is that you are and then to allow it. So you see how talking about one sort of flips the coin and talking about the other flips it back. We say to you, when it is that you attempt to allow, I allow my life to be better. I allow my body to be healthier. And there isn't a change. It does not mean that this did not work. That allowing and choosing may be good for others, but not me. If you have these sorts of responses within yourself, change your mind. Recognize that the old limitations that you have reinforced and placed and replaced and strengthened, well, it is like that snowball. It isn't a little thing with one choice it changes. It is a big thing, and it is now time to create the snowball, if you will, of allowance and of choosing yourself. Make sure that you make a new daily practice, a new daily devotion, and a new routine with the mindset that every day you choose over and over what you would like to allow, who you would like to be.